Karibu sana na inde ase ekengese kia gatatu kyo moroberio yoiga keroto asoire no mugeni yoiga ase nchira ya bene kigima ime ye studio eri kurigereria amangana yoborere bwa cancer yoroboro kose cervical cancer ase omuno bwe kenyamorero nigo tumubwate umunyagitari yoiga kurigereria amangana ya cancer kose aborero bwa cancer airio tukonyara gusanga naye erinde tumanye na kioborero boiga buranyare kuguswanirwa aiga ase orogongo rwa kusiko mwancho murigere no bateri bagari abene rigosanga na into ase chinsemo cha Facebook Getembe FM na bwo chinsemo cha YouTube Getembe TV enamba yesimi nere yoirase ekerorege TV yao igotomanyire tari aho chinsemo chiri kurwa na bwo nabo orache kobori no bwate obusibore bwo koboria riswari rya gochaiga ase studio erio onyare ko manya gosemonya gitari na bago koiraneria erinde tonyare kogendera ase inchira ere eyobwamo ase inchira yobwango mono daktari karibu sana hakibwakire.
Thank you Matilda wakire wia ande na irani ya soko ongari na ase Getembe TV eri nitukwa na bantu baitu bagusi igoriro bwa cancer
nakio koroka nande nga emirimo yawo nereri.
Thank you asa malita ngoro ku Friday Omari inde umunyagitari omano kurwari igoriro bwa cancer ase account yetu ya Kisii anene ngokorera sinyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital nyagitari ya kuruko Oscar Specialist Cancer Center amone chi county chinde abarore nkutumba ari kuruchi county chinde chia chekana ine Kisii County ekuru Migori Homa Bay na Narok County.
Buya wana sana kero tugure umutenyo iga o January o ntobwate amangana nga cancer cervical cancer awareness month nkururire rigo ikarire na ningige uchikiarigiririgo ekero tukwanira cancer yoro iboro.
Asante Matilda again. Cancer njira ina tofauti lakini asomo tenyo January yatokurige ya nene ogorero bwa cancer ase nyongeri ya cervix uterus ase the entrance yekorokwe cervix no oroire bore asaba nyina boka ega nyina boka na wate saba ya cervix.
Yes.
So ase karato kwa na mangana cervix to kwa na oroire bore asaba nyina boka. Yes.
Bono boriro buga na kibogocha bose what is cervical cancer bono?
So cervical cancer ne kero chinyama kire ase cervix yari cyakire ukina kitabwate kerango kitariko ba controlled cyakina cyareta buna ne eliyo tororo elinde yareta buna o koyubororo osokorusia manyinka kole abnormal kutali ni wetani kerango buna etakire korusia oboriro obo ebogocha anyinge ekero ebintu mbiro tofauti ngendo kurukana risk factors chikore to uriro egente kemo ngelina ekero monta wate abasani abange sexual partners abange ose partneri yaye ewata abantu abange nabeko bareta nande anene abange ebakunyora uriro buri asengenjo ekero bachakire those bari sexually active mapema bon egento kiwo chakiara to boriro obo negento goro kuna human papilloma virus ine kenyinyi kego so asomobere kiabero asenga kinyingi egento goro kana persistence infection kiabere ngaki onye kwa nyore sexual partner bwata boniga and wachi kwa nyoro yondo bwate kwa maye nyoro infection chiri boriro nabo kuira for almost 10 years mawo chikoba kororokana roni gantege kwira ngora adendo teri kya kora kyarorokana so tari gento konyora na uruiro boni gabuna malaria okenyore mambi so ni gento gebo chaka ngora kenya gukina baita megero jo ko manyana kya korire abo kwira almost 10 years.
HPV na saba sa choka ere
HPV ni rasa abantu bose abanyina na basacho egento kere kyale korokana what's na chi bintu gete byali kukina ase private parts most of the time kurukale human papillomavirus ikine kiali cause lakini ono gyakire kyaro kanina human papillomavirus yeye nero yabere risk factor kucha seko develop cervical cancer. Yes, asabani.
Ntubwate aina cha cervical cancer.
Yes. Totarenda se cervical cancer, even this human papillomavirus, actually ni wate chi virus chichiro tofauti. There are over 100 different types. Lakini chi type nchiro ibere chigo cause more common. Almost 70% of cancers chigo cause cervical cancer. Chigo cause ni two of those types. Chia human papillomavirus. Again, tokoro kan human papillomavirus 16 na 18. And then ere koruku 31 and 33, achiro chigo cause around 20%. Okay. So, egaro kwa na types of cervical cancer, etoko kwa na the type of cell ekorokana ase cancer. Egaro kwa nyaligereria ase ekerengo keltoko kwa microscope. So again, dogger koroka na squamous cell carcinoma. Squamous cell carcinoma ni cancer ekuru outside the cervix. Ne to koroka na adenocarcinoma. Adenocarcinoma ige kuru inside the cervix. Because kuru ye cervix mne kire kuru outside no squamous cell ekuru. Ekuru squamous cell thing it comes from outside the skin. Neyende kuru inside ekuru from the endometrium the engosi yelira iningi uterus kurume. Like the one you adenocarcinoma. So those are the two types that to cervical cancer.
Okwanire una chistel se chichikomera signs and symptoms ingaki omuntu agochaka kororekana.
So signs and symptoms chigo cha anene kero cervical cancer ya bere enene. Kere tarabe enene maramange bantu bari kumanyana nkikerororo. Lakini ngende gitangino umuntu agochaka koigwa kerona maybe nkerororo ne gentu koigune kerori agotwara the akwenda no gaka ngotwara some pain which is etali buneri ya gutamba koigwa. Ikina ngende gitangino abantu agochaka koigwa. Ekere achakire gukina omuntu chaka konyorana na wate some sporting. Bishoro mungina inga kera kumutienyi bali bakorenga those monthly periods iga guchirora regularly. Maybe a specific time nande kerengo usena matuka 3 osani. Lakini ngakina bakonyora matuka ali achakire komenta. Ose umutienyi ororera ngeli osenga 3. Ene kero ikine gentekemo. Egento kendi ya kabere iga guchaka koigu pain. Osaiga se pelvic. Ali ase ega nsabu guchaka koigu pain ere unusual. Akero buriro rubwa chakire gukina bwa biro kerenge kenene ngocha buri bwa gendo sinama amani osena ande porous appetite. So akero giya chiro chawo ochaka kokea chikiro chayo no korono buriro bwa kori bachakire kwanda. Ochaka koiwe enda buriro kero manya kinira twarire o infection hiyo. Osochaka korora osochaka gutwara elinekero orero rwa chirase ama osochaka gutwara pain kero amachina rago chacha sama kero buru rwa chiratande.
Nekio konyara ko manyanga okumanye tofauti ya oburiro bwiga bwa cancer yoro iboro na boigo na maruira yega kwambukire gweterase okoro bwanjani bose maruira yamanyakana tubuna sexually transmitted infections.
Yes, Matilda, asante nandi. Kumanya ngakio buruiro bwa osun cancer oseno bonde laso muntu apima.
Screening yoka.
Screening na wako mapema kororo sembororo lakini kero bwachire onye no pain iri bwate rasmi pimu. Pain iyo ko gunta tabaga pelvic ko igbororo na bera atware no bwate infection kurase bladder. Ase system ile amacha gweta na umuntu akoigu pain. Elinde onye ko kwenda ko ligento kuruka urinalysis onye rusuno buriro ko gwa mari ogo bwene. Lakini obondo borogwa oso twale gento gokoroka fibroids nabo konyora na igo bleed na boko genda ko opimu monte na bago akumanya na oborero ntembo ya cervix lakini obore from ase uterus like ya para bleeding ya egocha so for komanya na kasaba iko cancer litanga mpaka omuntu ali gele ase cervix omorero chine nyakitali watebire na daktari mbwate nkorwa manyinga which is preliminary ko botambi kwa mathina abere na kiaire kiwango okwereza eli no kwa kogenda nsali with examination kurwa se pelvic and the vagina kwa ligere kwarora na amanyinga yanga yakuru usually muntu wate cervical cancer kero kwa igoira sasa ali kuri cervix ngorore una nili oteli roro zona na bakora amanyinga akora akuhus kuroro sa zingine banyor kwa na babwate smell hereditary abnormal or say discharge abnormal so kurwa na bokurigere likorana yes akaliota ngarororo ekero kwa na kaliota kalingarororo kwa makwana kwa rusia kanyama endo gro ke biopsy kanyama kali kwa rusia kwa karusiro kwa kaira ase lab ko examine ere cancer o seteli cancer so ekero kwa kaira lab no wacha kwanyora type chiritu ateba ibe either squamous or say adenocarcinoma osikwanyora nere normal kero kwanyora nere normal abura nyone endo igoro kose cervicitis is just inflammation ye cervix so kurwa una lyo kumayana ko naonyo kwanyora na cancer either squamous or adenocarcinoma then kwa ma subject tumuroire kochia se test chinde choko kora egento kuruka staging of the disease chinga yetango chitokwana tobujumoto
no bwate emiaka nere bwana ntekurigire gose abantu mparavi abasubati b'emiaka erenga bako ba affected mono gusora recommend babone te gukora screening.
Okay, maybe Matilda nana utubone tukwana screening. Screening actually negento okoligereria au ke akoro regularly otaranyora symptoms chiritu akwanire esababu ya screening ni lyo okoleru regularly linde onyo boriro botoke mapema elinde na lyo treatment okora akoba complete so screening the recommendation remember to akwana na boriro nabo koira 10 years ona sole otaraja. So screening normally we recommend from around 25 years because abantu baito boniga bachakira kwa sexually active early. So from 25 onward we go screening. And the screening is wakoro ichira tofauti depending on the age of so screening especially abantu bali bagwate immunity ile kawaida na wakorerwo nyekwanyora kore normal na wewe koru either after 2 years
immunity ere kawaida ni riri
ogwate normal immunity abantu bali health akerongo te wata bali immunocompromised especially na abantu bali ogwate HIV bali mora ikirimbo gwate risk ere igoro konyora uriro wa cervical cancer so bara screening yawe ko regularly almost 6 months. Lakini abantu wakanda almost 1 year or 2 years. Very normal. So the reason for that abako bali immunocompromised elinde because the risk is higher na nipawa that human papilloma virus pale predisposed to elinde bororo bakara banyalikana mapema. Lakini muntu konyalikana kwa code screening woniga it's your normal cervix then your recommendation is 1 to 2 years watch regularly and by that time na konyana tiratoka yes basically that
kirukurigereria iga anene mono rukongo rwa gusie abantu gusapa subati mbabwate ngane yiga yokwenda gukoreru screening so kwenda go check wekira sekero
ntore kirase kiwango kiritoa tena tuikiro sena 100% screening no etaliro kongorwa gusiruka iyo no nyene Kenya itengima
Africa, yeah.
Yes, ntura ikororo na anda ase amang'ana atari asinginche bataracha na asinginche amang'ana atari kera abantu bonse. Na ande egento kende gekogera ngeri na screening services echinchira accessible to abantu baitu. Asio muna maybe ase a village igari ntubate screening togokora botambe. Abantu ekero bamanyire oboroiro obona mborororo. Usually they will come for screening. Nandi matiri tanda edo kuirura gotewe na abantu baitu mbere na abantu bandu mete bagutaka bamanyana ekero baeroreire bari bagokora. Bose kwanyo n'omuntu nabwate omuntu nasoba onyore toborero bwa cervical cancer usually abantu abange bagocha for screening.
Kurwase family.
Kurwase family. Lakini abantu batararo borero na kibogokora usually they bari gocha for screening. So abantu abataranyoro ntotaito bachikonyoro magocha screening. Atuwento batebi nabone gatura ase getembe FM oze TV elinde bamanye information ye elinde baje for screening. Screening is very simple and it's almost pakase dispensary bose obanyanta kola. And most of the public facilities actually it's free.
Okay, biya sana gukwanira yo mangana ichinyakitari kurigirie county ya Kisii sengenja bono no kore mirimo naki emubaro bwa abantu babwate cervical cancer na kyongana nandi naki mbitambukiro ki byanyarire kwimukigwa kwa neki ng'abantu abanyorire bo bwenia.
Matilda center se question hiyo nandi nere bya abantu baitu bamanye na nkaitora se kinamba. Ndetho chakira ensengima. Actually orero bwa cervical cancer mostly bora se country chirikire low and middle income countries, especially in Africa and part of the India. Globally, ase ensengima abantu nabako diagnosed kotwara bororo bwa cancer abantu almost 660,000 per year. Out of those almost 350 whether as urero cancer.
More than half.
More than half. Saying in Churro Konyorkana late, but are treatable. Akareto Wucha Gega say Kenya per year we get almost 7,000 per year. Cases.
Chikoba confirmed.
Chikoba confirmed. And the cases is now just cover more. Because in Chile were reported. So I don't believe because of accessibility facilities, but I watch
registered.
Yes. It could be more. And out of those, almost 4,000 ever got off in that same year after diagnosis. I think most of them were in fourth stage. In Kisii, we in the last 3 years, we are almost at around 1,000 cases. She already reported. So per year, exactly, but the numbers could be around 100 also. Yeah. So, actually in a day, you could be almost seeing almost 2 or 3 cases. Niru taranyora accessibility abantu bache nyekitali abange elindi banyala kupima.
Wakwanire chi stage chebo gutwara watebere stage ya kane anene mono nera abantu bakucha bagundwa chi stage chintana n'inchireche.
Chi stage ntu kiragara so kwanyore na kwanyore diagnosis y'omurwaire. Then the next step no gutaka kumanya na stage kiri nande obuja bwe stage yenge gentege ko konya kind of management yo chikomurwaire treatment yo correct oko chikomurwaire oyo. There are different stages, 4 stages. And the stages yeje chikoba ndedo kebeka ina simple word akira abantu baitoranye banyari gukiwa eka more details in chiroro lakini abantu baitu gukiwa ngeri na stages yeje chire 4. Stages yeje yo depend nanga yuborero boli na ande size yuborero boli akarwa nyora kanire onye yuborero boli less than 2 centimeters bora se cervix yoka lakini wali less than 2 centimeters kerwa pimiro eyo yakowa stage 1 kerwa wali between 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters eba kowa stage 2 if it is more than 5 centimeters na andi kuachira se chingwena gata wandu waitomba iwe chingwena ibintu biko train ase ichumo beno wate chingwena kerwa chibole more than 5 centimeters na kuachira chingwena ebe bokoba stage 3 stage 4 ne kerwa rura se cervix wachira se tatebe chi other organs chiwan chinen mtingo tetena usine liver that's nilini ama sasingin ko enda bora se abantu banu bari bakwenda sobongo na sande kwenda somongo ase amonga inere stage 4 kerwa rura se wani chakirete ucheyende so depending in stage echi treatment na chiro chichi koba tofauti ngaile chito cyo kwanira uchumoto
nindi kiro kurigereria amaroire nare amangi okay maroire kyo konyoranga abwate ukubwatana na obwiga bwa cervical cancer
buna tangana ko tawangirina especially abaroire bali barwatu abaroire bwa HIV mbale mo bronco yani mbwate risk nene konyoro abaroire bwa cervical cancer and that was the reason natewana abaroire bali bako screened more regularly elindo abaroire bwa yako iskorigeria nambe nyingi bwate cervical cancer eba bwate HIV. Yes, that's the main oreirebo. And abaroire bandi mbali bwate immunocompromised, maybe diabetes, but then the rate teli gorobna abaroire bwate
HIV.
Yes.
Vuya sana nende hono gwikira bwase obugwenia.
Yes.
Ndakimo guchaka kwena na mariogo.
Yes, bono mna tuateba nani tueba goteba matit dangene kerto kora stitching. Chi machine njiro to gutumia for stitching. Like a CT scan. Inere gotokonya go kora stitching. Mundu na gwando gatena na kora te ndo guruko ultrasound for stitching. Ultrasound tire gokonya for stitching. Because stitching iyo te do korokina oboriro gwachira chioga nchinde. Elindo ma kero cha goruali omayena emi yayo kurwali nire. Iyo kurwali go prevent yo oboriro olimbo gendera osochi go kiwa morwe. Yeah. So stitching ekertwate aba ntuwate stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So treatment tuwate echira aina isato. Egento koroka surgery. Tuwakora egento koroka na radiotherapy. Egento koroka chemotherapy. Chemotherapy na nabo combine egento koroka immunotherapy. So ekero boro stage 1. Stage 1 is nani mbole tofauti. There was stage 1 A, stage 1B, stage 1C. So ekera bole like less than a centimeter. Agantoka sini. Ebole gali ase cervix yoka. Then agantoka lina bwa kwanda gakole surgery. Ekera etandi eyu more than a centimeter. Ekera wakora surgery etiri kurusi oriro bole completely. Actually, sasingine go jale tamo complications ekero gora surgery.
Surgery ndakimo mugoche mwarusia ase traces chire kose.
No. Surgery eri egento ke koru with the depending on the age. Yo muroire ngo ekero yabere kero manifest cancer ngwande bakore egento bakoruka na radical hysterectomy. To hysterectomy no kurusia uterus as the cervix. Yes. Lakini ndire agara gukora abantu screening kwanyora na borero boli mbara soka ebole just in the cells. Bole confined. Ndongera bakora baganda basambiriri elindo borero bakora wera. Eline kera abantu bali bakora screening barana cells echichera abnormal bachisambiriri chiera. Ni ndo yako very early ekero uri botara manifest lakini ekero kwa chakire surgery bakekoro ekero for less than 1 centimeter ekero more than that egento ba togo chatwa korane egento korokana radiotherapy. Radiotherapy no kobeka radiations chiagenda gucharia se cervix chiita those cancer cells. So ekero tokora radiotherapy eri tokonya combine egento kuruka chemotherapy. Kero combine radiotherapy na chemotherapy, the effectiveness ya marioga y'ebintu biri ekurus cancer chiri chonse omuntu oba cancer free. Ekero yakire stage 2 ochona stage 3 nero we do the same radiotherapy
na chemotherapy.
Abo no yendo kurukuna surgery nkiyo surgery to kugetiga mata ari karo cancer esini
egiteri chemotherapy para ngandi asijime mchama to kwani ringo mwanzo mwana na chemotherapy ngebeje
so chemotherapy na marioga kweu marioga kwa endachi kuita cancer cells. Cancer cells tira somobere Jones. Chemotherapy ni riogo kweu kurua semekia. Ose saa zingine marioga naro kweu kwanyu. The reason why tokwa na marioga semekia iga kwa endaita na no mobere mogima elindachi kuita any cancer cells era somobere. Saa zingine chemotherapy yengochere yobu yabanga asinjote side effects chigocha. Nga side effect chigocha. Amarioga ya chemotherapy igagoita any cancer cells that are active. Or say any normal cell that are active.
Any normal cell.
Even the normal cells go chite. Lakini ekero tokwa na marioga angwa na tore duration like ya 3 weeks. 3 weeks chiri tokwa na ilinde those normal cells chia bete kill na chemotherapy chia rejuvenate chia kina nandi. But cancer cells ekero wa chitiri na chemotherapy nchiri gocha chia gain. Ando gocha kwa maintained after 3 weeks watch with more cancer cells. So when you wait 5 cancer cells nchiri gocha chia kina. But the normal cells chiri wait chia jite rejuvenate chirana. Yes, bona nakyo amaite tukyo isiko lengere ni tukine omuntu tole tukere mambi yakina. So it's a growing thing wangu. Na kiki cancer cells yani amalioga chemotherapy yagwita cells chirichigo kina wangu. Amaite cancer cells chirichigo kina wangu. At the same time ne tukine na bego kina. Kwesi kolege biara bitu na biro na bego kina wangu. So that's why they are killed wangu. And like skin yaro maite na bero nere. Teriko wa killed as network ne biara. Like biara bigo chenjere kara network ne yaro yaptokera.
So it's all about the kwewa mariogo?
Yes, chemotherapy no kwewa mariogo.
Alafu duration
yes.
We are sana nende kero kurigire stage kiego ika kwanya na no buliro bwa very out of control.
So ekero tu ikire stage 4 twateba oroiro bwa rore asari chakire tete nabone to kwa ne cervix. Warura ase cervix wachire to other organs. Hata organs twateba njirimna ria, lini, usase obongo, usamuga. Ekero wachira aria, ekero gochinya gitari, emi tutali na no kurwari obwene.
Okurwari aumenta amatuko.
Kurwari elindo buriro buri mbogenda gusamba. Ega no takurwari mbogenda tokore gusamba. Lakini amarwari tokwa elinde aite cancer cells njigenda okora njigenda okina. Lakini ntori gocha twatena ngo kurwari tori okora okubwene. So by that time tokore gento korukana palliative care. Ekero gwachire atame remember na tebana no muntu agocha appetite yerire ochakire korus weight. So this is the time to koreta even from the first koreta tore other specialists in like abantu ba nutrition, psychologist. So at this time stage 4 abantu ba nutrition they usually come in handy. Ngocha bale bakonya sana. Ika no bagocha batokonya gutwa like what type of endagiro umuntu yara nyware elinda gain weight because appetite ya yerenzi. Ika kuri ndagerenge. so tuwenda kumwe ndagera ewata more nutrients egojukawa na alia kandagera kera kini kamwe more nutrients umuntu ona bagocha amanyinga kurwa mange sana because yo konyone cervix yali atware lyote likurwa manyinga aiteka mange so na bagocha nyagitari atagwatia manyinga so egento gocha twakora nyagitari no komenta manyinga this time at the same time umuntu ona bagocha agwata a lot of pain tuamwa mariogo akuru start pain umuntu uyu na bagocha n'abantu bamwabo nyagitari kora abantu abange kora umuntu acha cruise weight ebagutwara a lot of depression batwara a lot of myths ebintu ebingi so this is the time even the pastors come in bakwana n'abantu at this stage 4 psychologist bakwana baba counsel this is something that kerororo and this is the aim of treatment.
Ekero kuri buna tubate bono breast cancer nguikerere stage umuntu obutorwa robero romo kusikwanyora nga obutoiro robere lakini cervical cancer ronga ki ewika erona ki ekero yekire stage buneyo erongi ekorero lakini hata ona matiri na kurudi tangani the only time ekero umuntu akorera surgery nekerere stage 1 ase cervix and like oiso kurigereri orobera moitero risko roma itena rorona paka nonye 5 cm sina bokuruzi na ndo twari ganto kuruka a negative margin lakini cervix asere mali kuchaka na kubutorole yoko utora amobonsipi na lero kwa utora maugali elinde muntu tabara na bagutwale ganto kuruka ose urine incontinence story ego charioka tikonyalekana
so ego twara a lot of complications so that's why kurase protocols or recommendations as a treatment ya cervical cancer igo kora surgery kirego kalikereke ego na lyo nyaro kirusions o turusi cancer chonse asombe and that do kwana iga ekero to kora cancer surgery as cancer the aim no kurusi all cancer cells asombe when to kunyaro kurusi and those cancer cells chonse asombe then there is no reason okora surgery yes
omotinyo yiga ekero bono abantu babwanete kumanyigwa igoro ya cervical cancer inchira kino mwatemire buna kurwa kusinonye kurwa sinyagitari yawo osalia so gukora imirimo inchira kimwatemire gwikira abantu no kubamanya
yeah so Matilda enere njira ya muyo gwikira abantu na ndekira abantu bawo sinyagitari botame nko imisu bari na ekero kugenda ka tebe abantu baje for screening egento kira prevent cervical cancer koikara sabantu n'ebintu bibiri ende kama nekerito okora vaccination eyi ya veteran in around 2019 which is a country to ya Kenya na the screening vaccination ya veteran as a professionals ntori we expect to roll machivu boniga we'll see the results in the next 10 years. What we expect in the numbers by 10 years shakore
chichigokia
chakere lakini asabo ni ganto kora machibo he kora bantu ba for this age group ba better vaccinated so the only way to also konyaro prevent late diagnosis na bantu ba screening kira munda jere screening na uno na te bona kero kianyora kani mapya musige ntonkero ororo na kibu sambere kero kia sambere liu cancer yo kora
igongo bwane repi
ngo bwane in early stages kaya virus stage 1 na umuntu akora surgery agenda amenyo uyu mugwaye kawaida yes
amangana vaccination tugochiko ya kwanrekera twarure ase break usomutimo komuke igo ekironko buri mwancho murigireria ogendere koba ime yomurobiri tora siba macha kega nande inkoirano tore turigireria amangana vaccination nabo igo naki cervical cancer iranyare gokeigo aiga asoro gongorwa gusiko se asense yaito ya Kenya gendere gutigara ime yomurobiri wetwani ekero tore nere omonyagitari gusomanyekane na consultant oncologist Dr. Omari.
Thank you.
Yeah. kendera gutigara ime ya Getembe Television erinde ogendere kwemanya na ndonye kubwate ribori nore nenchira ya bene kigima yogo kwana na intugo chegase studio ase chinsemo cha Facebook Getembe FM chinsemo cha YouTube Getembe TV na boigo otoma eri swari ria gogo seribori tari oranya ntokonyara kubwate simia sabonega korinde onye kubwate okuboria enamba nere yo 0726447367 eri tari awo nechinse mochiri okoro na boigo okuboria kwao nkoroki.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Ine nuligetie eskuru engia asumwano aranyole chisemi Prince Shiners Academy nero eskuru nigobabwate daycare Early education go se nursery grade 1 go ika grade 3 ngo kinyabale ebe wabia bana na kubagilia chikosori ao gatiobu ya bonde obonge. Eskuru ye nigo ekwena na obokoreri bwabo sombi asi abana bonsi inyora aborkia na bange na bancheire ne wizara yejisemi. Chi interviews niko chigendere tekera lituko liya Jumatatu wika Ijumaa niko bagutuka asensemo ya Nyankongo chimita chimi ibere kurwa asensemo ya stejimiwa asamange bakiri esimi ase enamba enoti isano na ibere eyemo ibere enoti kianda isano na isato inye isano nemo gose enoti isano na ibere isano eyemo kianda enoti isano na isato enoti. Prince Shiners Academy richibu richisemi chingia.
Thank you for giving me the best food, the best teacher. He doesn't me go. Now I can say I'm not a baby. Thank you.
Prince Shiners Academy richisemi chia jogo kwa kile stage miwa naingia ndani kidogo anga 200 meters. No konyara Prince Shiners Academy erabu ego shine. Prince Shiners ndo atabanu bare qualified abaru babwata passion na abana kukware tre mwana wa Prince Shiners ayo manye ikire school fees yaiterenke kire mwibeli akonyara weiteria mwibeli rete mwana koko igwana na abia ndio gwakane school fees yabo ayoga ndokore gas omwana asome ayona karate school fees yabo nkente buno okonyora. By the end of the term okonyora okorete ngo mwensi na abari baniri Prince Shiners.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
My name is Rebecca Kirubu Amisi from Keroka Technical Training Institute from the Department of Building and Civil Engineering. In Keroka Technical, we offer courses and we prefer women to take the engineering courses such as carpentry, plumbing, masonry, land survey, science, mathematics, and mechanical engineering.
Hello everyone, I'm Emily Awanga from Keroka Technical Training Institute from Electrical Department. I would like to remind all ladies to take this course, that is electrical engineering. Since the course is marketable, if you take this course, you will have equal opportunity in the market. Welcome.
I'm urging all the ladies outside there to come to Keroka Technical Institute, whereby all women are given equal opportunities in terms of job opportunities. In Keroka, we the trainers, we are role models in the engineering departments because we are ladies. We know we have equal opportunities. When it comes to job employment, we are well preferred and we work much better when compared to the male students.
My name is Jacinta Alma Aita. I'm from Keroka Technical Training Institute under the course of carpentry and joinery. I want to tell all ladies outside there that taking the course of carpentry and joinery gives you an equal opportunity in the market, hence bettering your life. Welcome.
I'm urging the people outside there to bring ladies to Keroka Technical, whereby we'll equip them with practical skills, knowledge that will give them chances to work outside the world, and then they can be role models when it comes to practical aspects. So kindly bring the ladies to school so that you can give them this knowledge we have and they can be able to support us. Thank you, and welcome to Keroka Technical Training Institute. We have the intake in January, and we are requesting all the ladies outside there, despite the age, despite the ethnicity you are coming from, we have equal opportunities at Keroka. Huwa tunachukua wanafunzi wote. Thank you, and welcome to Keroka.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best n'enyagitari ya chirengu maso gusegasigire emechando aoya marwaire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya bantu nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egete ky'omugongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka kire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatemberimende emashini ye nigo eroseranirie amaryogo ayo akorokwa nano diamond titanium ayo agotumeka ase okugwenia hale nayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole obwigoro mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwaire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst, fibroids, prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samarekao eyeko yarungeya egati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imeyenya gitaririga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chamagaroba Nuga Best nigo bagotuka imeyumo cy'obusongo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kisi Kisumu
nchasa marieta ngoro kwanongaki ana arwareta marwaire ara mange nkagenda chinya gitari yao korigio bogwenia egere mbwene chinya gitari narete ne chinyinge konyoro bogwenia nkaewa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbeti nkonyoro bogweni boikiranete kero nacha Nuga Best ngashughulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini cha Nuga Best chimashini echinje abete chigonkonyo mogongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boigo na maroira ndamanga yali ngo mubirone ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakirisi migwetera sete namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Chuo
Karibu sana na ndio mwancho mwarigereria ekero twekendete kurigereria uburoire bwa kansa yoriboro litukuria rero kero torenere Dr. Omari aiga ase studio napona kuboria onye kubwate okuboria tomagocha sina mbeyere se kerore igie TV yao nabo igo chinse mechi cha Facebook na Getembe FM genda agari comment section onye kubwate okuboria onyare koiranirigwa aige kisingencho burire bwa kansa rero bwabiro bobe nabo nainde onye koraga ni komonyora omunyagitari oyo gagose gukwana nere nabo okomonyora gwetira ase nambe yo ye studio erinde onyare kokonyora ogokonya kasingencho kansa rero onye omuntu turabonyora bwakunire ande ase family eno nande bono nigo oburiro bubwanete kurigererwa ase inchira yabene nande ase obwango ukegima daktari kero tokoirana tutararigeria mangana vaccination nabo igo aiga ase orugongo rwagusi nara igo goteba hi, good morning, Getembe TV. I'm Oboge Naftal. I'd like to ask Dr. Omari to explain what are the other diagnosis measures that can be further undertaken apart from urinalysis. Apart from urinalysis, other diagnosis measures.
Okay. Asante wote wako
Naftal
asili wodi elio there's chi test chinyingi chiko koru Naftal apart from urinalysis nayo kwa nursing inche kero montala ngene na wate gento koro ka urinary tract infection infection ya ase system ya samacha weta lakini gotaka kumanyana wase infection ende nero ron kokoratore kupima tura manyinga Yotokoro ka complete blood count. Osena no nyukawate pain ya sega the pelvic region na vera ase from the kidneys go kartore yotokoro ka kidney function test ose liver function test. Ni bintu bindi na bitu twatebona ya biopsy for cancer. So chi test chiroro ni chinyingi. Chirakoru depending na kyo muntu ago present nyagitari. Yeah. Yago maite muntu tago nyagitari ukore chi test chonsi ibi. Yago njiwate cost implications chiaye. So yago muntu ago nyagitari itoko enda with pending na symptoms inchiri chiawate na ande omuro nyagitari nkendo kia kagerete omuro yara kore aratware.
Yera mukonyo bwango.
Yera mukonyo inanyo ruwe.
Nabo igo na kwandete pathophysiology of cervical cancer. Thanks Naftari. Pathophysiology ya cervical cancer. Na utara wendo nyukwana eka bantu wansi mbako ya pathophysiology. I think Naftari rasi makaru mnyakitari somewhere. Lakini nende buna tuwa tanga na wote yawa. Any cancers kohocha somo vere. Ne ilina chinomo cells. Echigo kina chitari koba regulated. Normally, ekero mubero gukina nakyo muntu utari gutwara skin ene. Ekero skin eria chakira gukina eria gotire ya rusi waso mubiri. But for these cancer cells, chiroje chiri gukina chitari kurusiwa. Borwa yene chinya kubekirani chiri chingoro chiroro ne chinyi chiacha. Chitari koba eliminated. Sasa yoko nyoro muntu abwate none li emasi nene oseli gumbali nene litari gukora liroro asing inju cancer cells chiri chiroro njiri ko eliminated normally unachio mubiro kurusi. So cervical cancer una twatanga na gotewa egento mostly kere 70% the cause ni ndo kuruka human papilloma virus. Agara human papilloma virus eria cervical cells chikwanda wegento okuroka cha change shape yaye osi cha change kuna chiko ba regulated nako interrupt yabo naraiga Robert Atika erega bolinga ningige correnta cancer ekero gukwanira gabo human papilloma virus no nategetaigwe akurukunga Atika erega ukubolinga ningige correnta cancer. Cancers generally ndo atiti ndo yekoreta na ikeneke koreta cancer hata bisonye ndo wati ndo ne yekoreta cancer una toma idina malaria koretuna ni mosquitoes
ntobu ati ento specifically yakoreta cancer ebintu cancer yakoba ento korokana risk factors risk factors ne bintu bikubwatira ne binge byaleta cancer. For example, na tokwana na cervical cancer. Risk factors in chiroro. Una chirtua kwana. Omonto awate multiple sexual partners. Of course, lazima abo muswati. Ega tali musacha. So a risk factor ya mono mukoba muswati. Risk factor ende otwala multiple sexual partners.
Aso muswati.
Yes.
What if muswati na baba to monto yoma lakini wate HPV?
Yes, nakingo tena multiple sexual partners. Ose obwate a partner who has multiple sexual partners.
Yes.
Haitobwati lakini yana wate multiple sexual partners. So that's one of the risk factors. Ose you omonto yo gacha agetuko twara kwa sexually active
karomo emyake meke.
So that's another risk factors. Again, another risk factors is the fact that your immune is compromised, especially now when you talk about HIV positive. Yes.
Okay, nande ikiro kurigereria emyaka abu kwa nerenge emyaka ikiro muntu aguchaka mangana ya kauchaka okora sex karomoke omoke emyaka ki yokonyoranga emyaka ki omwana abone tuchaka wika umako ba sexually active. It is recommended korengana na mangana yega cervical cancer.
Matilda, culturally, there's no way you can say that na never recommended. Actually, kero montabu ene to ko sexual active ne kera kera. That's the ideal. But you know that triko jaya ikirego. So that's why ekero bareko twaro about the age ekero bantu wendo chaka vaccination yetu wendo kora. Ego chakirwa around from 9 years.
Yes.
9 years to 14. Riba go kora acceleration. So we expect currently abana baitu poniga, of course na vera ave a shock, lakini most abana baitu by 9 years bachakirwa sexual active. So that's why the recommendation from the Ministry of Health that they have a vaccination from abana bale 10 years and above. That vaccination na wachikonyora that human papillomavirus prevent. So the assumption is from 10 years wachakira sexually
active. Korengana no oborwire kera oborwire bubokorigererigwa. Nabo igonto bwate complications encountered post treatment. Yo naftal bado.
So complications in chiro chinyingi. Complication abachiko ba categorized into two. Chirichire early or late complications. So complications na wachiwoja from surgery. So during surgery na wera correct maybe stool or urine incontinence because they can that surgery na will interfere with the nerves, that complications. Again, the case maybe in hemorrhage. Amanyinga lose a lot of blood during the surgery. Again, the case you can have infection post surgery. That's the main complications for surgery. Keroko and that keroko monta kora chemotherapy. Nerni what the complications chae during immediately na monta konyore ntokuruka either nausea oko koroka oso monto chaka koroka abantu bana bagutwara dawa okuminyoka asenja mariogali with time ose after like 2 weeks etukina bego chaka kora kurwa asenja kuno litwatewa na those are the main ones chia chemotherapy ekero togo cha radiotherapy neroni what complications chia they can be immediate or later. The immediate one, radiotherapy ne radiations ko sambeleliwa. So alias spot iliwo sambeleliwa na bora nyoro muntu ko chaka mna ko skin. Yako black sa zingine tu ali some wounds because of that radiations. Sa zingine na weko lete ngento ko kadawarea immediately because they can affect the mucosa lining. Yeah, say the colon the rectum, wacha gutwara root stool baleta daorea na ane wekorete ndokoro ka cystitis as a bladder because of the inflammation irigali watwara some pain ke kwenda later abantu mbali bawocha bacha na ndokoro ka bacha kurusia se amanga se stool ase choenene is one of the rate complications ya radiotherapy. Yeah, but all these complications ngoja tuletwate ya wanto, then we have measures on how to reduce those complications.
Buya sana bona mangana vaccination na wate baba nyaruka baguchaka kogu emiaka kianda wika actually for kerwa rolled out the vaccination from 9 years to 14 years as a corona catch up phase elinda abantu bali bonsi biba assumed to be sexually inactive at that time final vaccination so bagajaga from 9 to 14 years pawende konyora vaccine ibere 2 doses vaccine echiko were given 6 months apart konyora lero avujo konyora after 6 months those mbalibale 9 to 14 years then those vaccines nachirochong bagamawatenanko bachire rolled into the normal Kenyan immunization schedule. What do I mean? Any person who was not vaccinated by then, the assumption now everyone's been vaccinated. So one of turn 10 years, from 10 years, they're supposed to get a vaccine in the normal Kenyan vaccination immunization schedule. Now from at the age of 10, annual vaccine achirocho diwe. Na koroko?
Vaccination is kuna nduwate actually there are 3 different types. Nduwate pentavalent, nduwate quadrivalent na nanovalent. What do I pentavalent go and nduwate wa human papilloma virus chire different types it's almost 100. But in chire tuwate wa chire common. 16 and 18. So bivalent, he go capture these 2 vaccines, these 2 human papilloma virus types. Age 16 and 18. That's why it's called bivalent. Ekere kuna quadrivalent, eukawa
16, 18
plus 6 and 11. Age chiko 4. Nanovalent yechiokawa 9 of those types, 16, 18, 6, 11, toward 31, 33, and something that I can't remember. So chire chiokawa 9 of those. Na jina ndi twatebire chiokwena no as 2 doses.
2 doses.
Kama kwa complete 6 months apart. Abana bantu bali but are immunocompromised. When they are immunocompromised, because of the higher risk, you nyora cervical cancer, but you go nyora 3 doses. You go nyora first month, you go nyora the first and the second month, na the 6th month. You go nyora 3 doses because of the higher risk.
Igo oyo muntu gwatu mwana umunyarako mukiwe miaka 10 okuchikonyore dozi yako we ntangani dozi ntangani ya umutinyo mutangani achikwe kubuna bono nando yosita. Igo to kwa dozi ya mekore miremo. Chiko bwata nivere
from the research very nachiwa kora
nande exactly 6 months.
Yes, 6 months. Of course, there's some variations. Again, I would take
Jawata nigo nali ewokoremere. Mbuya mwana sana ndekero kurigereria aiga asoro gongorwa kusi vaccination ya temire kusi bado.
Actually, as we speak, in Kenya, since the rollout vaccination, we have not done much.
In Kenya,
we are almost 25%. The population area wete ya wenete ko kwenanu, we are just doing 25% of that vaccination. And there are some studies here collect to by different groups. The reasons why vaccination is started. If you roll something out, you don't achieve 100% of your expectation. There are reasons why you have not achieved that. So these are the things that people go into to look at. Watch kuvirika liwama kumana ngeko gera even the bitara getara 100%. So these groups wakaenda wakanyora nigente tangani this information trekera sawanto via. Wamanya the importance ya vaccination hii. Again the kabere ngena again the kekarkia wete rolled out ngekere to the mwananchi kuyondokoroka access to that vaccines. Likia wete rolled out some religious factors came in. Abantu wakatauna these vaccines ekero kwenana again we are doing family planning. I think you had something like that. Because yes. Most people are again from maybe from the pastors, from the fathers, even to get more riches. Abantu wakwira wakugetara mona mufata na kwanete mu pastor na kwanete even to muneki. So abantu waka withdraw from that vaccination. So again to whether as health workers or health professionals pale make policies for that to whether kufuatilia elinde roll out yakole. As I said earlier, this vaccination ya Koroniga, as a specialist for cancer, we may not see it now, but will have the impact later. As other developed countries, the vaccination only actually they have like almost 2% cases of cancer in those developed countries. But while here, cervical cancer and breast cancer is leading. And remember, cervical cancer is something that is preventable, like this, which has been seen from those developed countries. So, in terms of policy making, in the vaccination you rolled out, almost 80%, which was their target. It will cover a lot, but the effect we'll see it later, not now.
Ekero kurigereria umo nto tagite ko tomo mwana wego sukwiro mwana we gaiga soro kongorwa gusti base tutebe Kisii county atete kumwira vaccination na kiara enyore bona
vaccinations currently nchira se chinyagitari especially the sub-county referral hospitals chire tote bose nyamache Ogembo ndowate Kenyenya ndowate Gesusu ndowate Kiumbu na South Mugirango Kurukunduru. Ekerogo cha Kisii teaching and referral it's there. And those are the public facilities which is ideally free, but also conduct the private you can get it but at a cost. So abantu wetu na utoko imisena you can go to this private. The effect you'll see it later, not now. Lakini vaccination is in the corner. During the rollout, this vaccination is cover given in the schools. Because also kwalangera lina bantawa between 9 and 14 years ngayoko banyoramono.
Anene muna primary schools, ne secondary from 1 from 2.
There was a time when we were accelerated phase by going to these primary schools. But unfortunately at that time everybody abange mbaka and bana ba
singing chokonye mbaramanya bobo ati enough
information. But as we went forward kwa na mangana ya cervical cancer, the importance ya and the effective chava later I think we'll move kokoramo vaccination, which actually the main preventive measure.
Ono aba nabari baikire tutebe baikire konyoro buruiro bwa bwa cervical cancer gusi tinya gitari nchirororo chikuburwaria bakabwaira depending on stage.
Yes, thank you Matilda. Ila tuanyoro buruiro bwa cancer ntuate aba chinya kitali nchini kibo songo we chikurwali koburero wa cancer ntwate abage ntwakora surgery currently kisiga ntwate ntwali wakora surgery burero wa cancer the surgeons ntwate gynecologist actually royo mogusiga but other obstetric and gyne specialist ekero role body mapema they can get the uterus out and twagenda mali Uganda, so it can be done within KC. Any private facilities what theater can do that case.
Unabosonga nchiro
they are different. Unabosongo KTRH ne rororo ntwate Oasis, other private hospitals around. We have Oscar Specialist Cancer Center. Ekero ko chege ntuna chemotherapy chiro chintu the facilities chire limited. Because the facilities are accredited na amalioga cancer, there are few. One of the facilities very accredited recently, KTRH, Kisi Teaching and Referral. Now we are giving chemotherapy. We have a facility called Oscar Specialist Cancer Center, very accredited na chemotherapy. Na Oasis Specialist na chemotherapy. Then also I want to mention maybe in the next 18 months we are developing a comprehensive cancer center.
Yes, serikali.
Kwa actually Kisi school. Opposite. Here which we encompass all the modalities of treatment. So china mentioning about the surgery na chemotherapy. Currently into what into kuruka radiotherapy, which is the main which cover
as a cancer center.
So this radiotherapy retoko toma patients outside Kisii County. Wetu toma Eldoret. Nere what radiotherapy. MTRH or say Eldoret hospital. Ende what radiotherapy Nakuru referral hospital. Ne what radiotherapy abantu automa Nairobi. Nairobi there are different centers to what radiotherapy. Nduwate Kenyatta National Hospital, nduwate Kenyatta University, nduwate Nairobi West, nduwate na Nairobi Hospital. But here Kisii County, maybe after 18 months, if everything gets going, we'll be having a radiotherapy center.
Ninkieta ratokira bona inkieta nyari kubikirwa senyagitari nonye KTRH iga.
Matino nda tena chiba se chirinya te machine ile kobekeru initial nichi nyingi. Na ndi machine ile kobeku togo chakanyara tolne tene billing ende yonse. You have to make a billing is special for that machine. I think incho radiations chikuru mali nchibwene tiko soka isikoi. Ego chiso soka isikoi chiwa affect the environment around or sabantu around. So you have to make a billing is special for that machine.
Okay. So
like as we speak, the cost of that comprehensive cancer center Kobeku Kisii is almost 3.2 billion. If you want to go that machine, that's that capital.
3.2 billion.
3.2 billion. That's the cost of doing that one comprehensive cancer center. So that's why there are few in the country.
Mbia sana na inde kireto kurgeria mangana treatment cost na kiego chia basa baroire.
Treatment cost is always konyeweka cumulatively it's very expensive, especially from total diagnosis. Diagnosis total examination, take biopsy area the laboratory, you ascertain cancer kwa nyoliro. Cancer yomako nyakore ntukuruka staging. Staging ukore CT scan yoka na beko almost say between 20 to 24,000 in the private. Total average from 18 to 24,000.
CT scan.
CT scan for staging. Koroswe biopsy to kopima nero na verance ko almost say 15,000. Also the chance na wajo almost 40,000. If then you start treatment, for chemotherapy per cycle, it can cost you between, depending on the dose and the drug ugotumia, na from 30,000 to 50,000. That is for one cycle, and you need like 6 cycles. So if you put at the maximum 50,000 times 6, that's almost 300,000. Then radiotherapy per cycle is almost per fraction. And so per fraction here cost around 7,000. Then you need around 25 sessions.
25.
25. So that's 25 times 7,000. So you can see the cost. Then surgery can cost from 150 to 50,000. So basically the treatment for that is very expensive. Again, with the insurance, this cost can be covered. But unfortunately with the SHA, it's covering up to 300,000. So with time, maybe the cost, it's either the add or patient will have to pay the remaining cost.
Abuna nati to kuringa baroire ba cancer barabungo babariketed for aigase umurugiro yo moya or social health insurance.
So we're covered with a maximum of 100,000 for diagnosis. For diagnosis, nearly whatever you are likely to have cancer, or call it this biopsy, or call it staging scans, which could cover into 100,000. Then the remaining 300 shall cover treatment. Yes.
Nekiro bono mwanyo rira baroire buna batabwati chiveseji bagocha batomuka bekwera busena ki.
Unfortunately abantu mbali bagocha ba struggle paka sometimes find wachiponya malemavu. But you know all this asenge bata abantu bakoreki banyole treatment. So sometimes people struggle for the treatment. You can what the insurance, say what any other means, source. So they end up for the treatment.
Igo oboni go muntu bwate kadi yaye oso registered under SHA na bakonyora obo.
Kwani ana bakonyora treatment.
Lakini really limited.
Up to 300,000 for treatment and up to 100 for diagnosis. Yes. After treatment, the way they correct to follow up investigations like CT scan. But from SHA, you are supposed to have 1 CT scan per year. Actually 2 CT scan if it's either chest and abdomen, that's per year. Like in this, 2 CT scans. So the other CT scan, you have to pay out of your pocket. So those are the limiting things that we have in current insurance.
Wana kiro kurigire nonye emiroberieri mwabikire buna ense moyo bocheno. Anane mona igese county ya Kisii. Oroche oborero boigango chibore kuba contained.
Yes. As we speak, for the last say 4 years, we have been now that we are having more patients treated locally. Abantu bachagire kumayeno buriro mbororo. But then initially waroira bariko diagnosed bato mu Nairobi. Bato Eldoret. So abantu ba kumayeno buriro mboro nanu natanga wateba. Onye muroiro ose relative yao se omoirio tabu aturo irobo tari mono kubumanya. Lakini now the fact that abantu ango chabara banyora locally iga bachagire kumayeno buriro bororo. And bachagire with for more screening. So with time the anticipation nilina ilintolanga dina ekerwa with screening more regularly. Na bo borero toko banyora because they didn't get vaccination. Lakini borero toko banyora at an early stage. So ekerwa banyora at the early stage ekiwa neroro. So the effect toja banyora borero botali ko chotoka mbali obwate for vaccination. But if you didn't have vaccination and you have been having multiple sexual partners, your partners having sexual partners, at one point you may have the disease. Lakini kero for regular screening nabo gutoka na mapema, then you get cured.
Hine kibono information yere ikira abana abanyaruka bibikorie bike nabo iga abantu nabo iburinka senyencho mbabonete gotebigwa kwanera ngo moiburi igoro ya vaccination ye elinde abana abanyare kwegwa amario gaya igo se chanjo yo
ase omotegerero Gatembe TV as a specialist ya cancer, I want to koteba abantu na vaccination ye ningia abana baitumba wente konyora elinde babe mbaji gonyora oburiro bwa cancer. Vaccination yekero kwegwa ekero virus yetu atebire egocha somobere vaccine yenere kwanenye prevent the infection. Egento yakoreta cancer ni egento yakorana persistent infection ne virus ye, lakini ekero wate vaccine yeri asomobere yego ire goite virus yeri tokonyora infection. So abana baito onye taranyora echange yeri antangani kuronye kale miaka biro 14 years na wenta gendo nyore chi vaccine ibere yema konyora mo litu entangani na ande nanyore after 6 months na ndonye kale 10 years na boko moira ase enya kitali endeos na wakonyora vaccine ye elinde effect ye etoja konyora later toja wadena yo mo lilikuwa rurororo na lyo mwana yawe konyora cancer. So prevent cancer ya so mwana elinda kanyone eta asa gocha kuchandika nanda bana baito mbiyato batebi esababu yo koleta persistent infection ya human papilloma virus na sego tuara multiple sexual partners. So nero tuwento kwa kwanera especially abaiboli tukona bana baito elinde mbanyora this cancer. Paliba waetani miaka hiyo coach 25 years mbia moja for screening to the nearest facilities that yere asif inyektari eno onye balimba konyara, then you can come to the specialist. We are available to advise you at any point.
Buya sana na boigo kwanera omonto ri kero kendo nyorero buriro buiga bwa cervical cancer ose e family ri bwate omonto affected yani omonto bwate buriro bwe.
Thank you. Nima tino buriro karto kwana buriro bwa cancer ngo chaburo wareta stress, ose depression, anxieties, abantu batwara psychological torture ase family. So abaroira aba family mbuya kero muriro yanyore onye mugutwara those stresses na mugo chinyagitari nyagitari eto KTRH ose this Oscar ose any other treatment center ya cancer ntobwate aba psychological counselors who can talk to you elindo wate na kimugo chikomenya na ande abantu bange matilde bawete no muriro bwo koreto na baborogi
cancer tiri koreto na borogi.
So egina genda to tana borogi mboyo ni infection erororo tari ere gusiyoka ere nsengima tadana montoligere ri monto mintobe na kia kara na kia jakire kole arega kole akolingo bwate sababu yae ni asinge maybe oborero itaborororo ose oborero bonde infection ose cancer taga monta jakire kole anto tena yen cancer cancer to konye mayana cancer ekerto akore tuapimire tuaconfirm na those now at the cancer cells. So vachinya gitari elinde bakwaneru elinde bamayina kibakomenya kurwabo
ubyombe kibinde biranyare go koreta abantu amo anene mono chinga kichiga usomotinyo yega bukoligererio boroirobo
especially a unit eto ya KTRH na Oscar Oasis ntowate ebyombe tofauti cyaba abarwaire babwate cancer. Issuing gutwara tole monthly meetings ekero bagocha bakwana. So chibyombe birimbi ngocha bire bya konya na ande saa zingine ngocha tole twende chikanisa tofauti tuwa batebina oburiro mborororo na ande anytime ose omonto bwate e group endeons oteta abantu baso bakwaneru we are available na botogocha tukwanira abantu abo for free. This information ekero anyorire narie egokonya ase omunyagitari okorwari cancer ekero omoroire akire ari stage 4 Matilda ngochere yanga stress because nkomanyana igaiga kobwena nkoyo ngoye prevent lakini ekero obwate stage 1 actually no chororo nkogotena you ogocha kingo smile maithena oyo ngomwanda mario anda bwene in the next 30 years yase gatoto monyo tokari tanyora lakini ekero ogocha stage 4 ngocherea yatware shida nande stage 4 itogocha twanyora singincho screening yetai the only way turanyora borero was stage 1 or stage 2 is the regular screening yani shortcut tay
igochikanisa chisukuru nchibwateri bakari nene rio kostemia abantu your parting shot singincho yebiro
thanks Matilda na somo tegerere ito Gatembe TV asogo twachinga kichoko kwana na ino ase borero bwa cancer nande asingincho mutinyole sabaiko cancer ase cancer yo roiboro tigatogende chinyagitari chirani tokore screening n'abana bari bayita bake tubakorera vaccination nando nyumurwere nare oreka obwate symptoms kiri twateba it's not late chinyagitari to advise on the best way management andi ngendo ndata goteba abarire mbali bagocha bagenda outside Kisii Pega ngwanda balinge for maybe Nairobi, Nakuru, Eldoret for treatment. Usually kero kwenda that actually the treatment is the same. Lakini ande bachi kwenika expenses chia accommodation, transport, food. Ebale kwenda ngakiri kero mwenyektari atalenge Kisii. Actually was the first one korwali cancer in Kisii. I came in 2021. So currently the only reason why omuntu agwenda kwenda Nairobi, Eldoret, Nakuru, no kwenda kwa yari ndogoruka radiotherapy. The rest of the things na ujo gorekana Kisii.
Asi egati etinyagitari chiri whatever. Na pochikwana na obo bweni obo. Koreginga tubwatikene na ndoramente.
Asante.
Mbuya mono sana mwancho murigereria ayo tomubwate omonyagitari omonyakanete buna oncologist kurigereria amangana y'oburere bwa cancer Dr. Fred Omari aiga ase studio nande onye kubwate ribori nabo kugendera gutumawo erinde to omoikere wetera ase nambe yo ye studio nabo igo bari bechinse mocha Facebook bari mwabere ime yo morobere chinse mochiri cha YouTube na ayo mwancho murigereria oriorenga otarakwana na intu korende kwabiro mwege na weka chinse chiga kukwiraniria mbuya mono sana ase kugendera koba ime ya Gatembe Television ekera ungoche gukora nigo ngukomanyanga umowaziri wechisemi umusike Julius Migosi Ogamba chinsa inye chiare romambia ngochare kubwatuka amachibu ya matemu iye kirasi ge 12 iyo mwako etaguse KCSE 2024 examination results ngobwato kuchirerero kurwa ase enya amagacho amitiani house egotoka South Sea ime iye county ya Nairobi chinsa inye chiabono mambe igo mancho morigeria kendera gutigara ime iye merobere ya Gatembe Television nainde ntoko manyenga ki amachibu ya gochikosoka erio ogandere kwemanya na into Gatembe Television goika chinga ki chindo mwancho morigeria kendera gutigara aiga Gatembe Television ekionga kia Mwamogusi.
Thank you.